So this is a quick video on how to upload your image, video, audio, text file, GIF, or any documents on readme.md file. So first thing we need to do is we need to go on our GitHub. So this is the GitHub repository, and this is the website HMPB tracker. Um, so what we need to do here is that we need to first click on this edit. Uh, you can see this is the edit option in readme.md. So I'll just click on here. So once you're here, you need to just drag and drop all your files. So for example, I have this folder and I have this image file, video file, PDF document, and a GIF file. So I will just select all of them and just drag and drop to readme.md file. And it's taking some time. It says that it's uploading your files. So it is in progress. Let's wait for some time. Great. So it is done uploading all the files. After that, you just need to scroll up and just do commit changes. So update readme.md file. I'll just add video, GIF, and image files. And I'll just do commit changes. After committing the changes, you can see the video and your image and your GIF images successfully added. You can see it in the preview. So it is added successfully. So now if you want to confirm in your repository, just reload this GitHub, your github.com. And once we reload it, you will see the tracker. This is the repository where we added the files, and you can see it has successfully added. So yeah, it is done now. So this is how you add um, images, videos, and GIF images to your GitHub repository. Please do like, share, and subscribe.